Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have VS Code and Chrome installed because the debugger bridges them. Once done, install the Chrome debugger extension in VS Code. Open your project folder so the editor can resolve files and source maps. Next, create a basic index. HTML and linked JavaScript file if you don't have them. This gives the debugger targets. Make sure source maps are enabled when using bundlers. Now you're ready to add a debug configuration in VS Code and launch Chrome from the editor. Open the Run view and add a launch. JSON, choose Chrome as the environment so VS Code can start or attach to the browser. Configure the URL that matches your local dev server and set web root to your project folder so paths map correctly. If you use Webpack or other bundlers, add source map path overrides to translate generated paths back to original sources. For predictable debugging, include user data dir or remote debugging port arguments, so the editor launches an isolated. Start the debug session from VS Code. It will launch Chrome or attach to an existing instance, and you should reload the page to hit breakpoints. Set breakpoints directly in your editor. The call stack and scope panes show variables and execution flow, while the console prints runtime logs. Once done, stop the session to close the Chrome runtime if desired. If breakpoints don't bind, make sure remote debugging port isn't blocked, extension is up to date, and source maps/webroot accurately match your served files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.